brand new AI model just dropped, and it's doing something that shouldn't really be possible. It's called Nano Banana, and despite being extremely small, it's producing results that compete with much larger AI systems. In this video, I'm going to break down what Nano Banana actually does, how it compares, and whether it's actually worth using. Because on the surface, it looks impressive, but the real question is, does it actually change anything? So first, what exactly is Nano Banana? It's a lightweight AI model built for high-quality media. It uses significantly fewer resources than traditional large-scale systems, and that's important. Most advanced AI tools require massive computing power, cloud infrastructure, and large subscriptions. Nano Banana is trying to flip that. It focuses on efficiency, designed to run faster and use less memory. In simple terms, it's aiming to make AI generation more accessible, and that's a big shift in direction. Now you might be wondering, why does size even matter? Large AI models are powerful, but they're expensive. They require serious hardware, and that limits who can actually use them at scale. Smaller models change that. They make AI cheaper to run, easier to integrate, and easier to deploy across applications. That means more startups, more tools, more innovation. Nano Banana is about efficiency at scale. Let's talk about capabilities. What can Nano Banana actually do? First, it can generate images from prompts. You describe what you want and it generates a visual output, just like Midjourney or DALL-E. But it's optimized for speed and efficiency. Second, it can modify existing images. That includes upscaling, enhancing details, adjusting variations, or generating alternative versions. This is useful for creators, designers, and developers building creative tools. Third, it can be embedded into workflows, meaning it's not just a standalone tool. It can power other platforms, APIs, and content pipelines. And that's where things get interesting, because once a model becomes infrastructure, its value multiplies. And now let's compare versions. The first release was impressive, but it had limitations in processing speed. The newer version focuses heavily on lower compute requirements, faster output, and better stability. You're getting similar visual quality with dramatically reduced resource usage. That means lower server cost. For developers, that's a massive advantage. Performance isn't just about quality, it's about scalability. So where does Nano Banana actually shine? It wins in speed, efficiency, and accessibility. This model lowers the barrier to entry, opening the door for smaller teams to build serious AI tools. But let's be honest, it's not perfect. Large foundation models still dominate in extreme detail and photorealism. Nano Banana competes impressively, but it doesn't fully replace heavyweight AI systems, at least not yet. So the question isn't, is it better than the biggest models? It's, is it good enough at a fraction of the cost? Here's where this gets practical. Creators can use it for rapid content generation, and designers can prototype quickly. Developers can embed it into SaaS products, and agencies can reduce infrastructure costs. This is how smaller models quietly change the ecosystem, not by dominating headlines, but by powering tools. The real story here isn't just Nano Banana, it's the trend. AI models are becoming smaller, faster, and cheaper. As that continues, we'll see AI integrated into everything, not as a luxury feature, but as standard infrastructure. Overall, Nano Banana isn't trying to be the biggest model, it's trying to be the smartest in terms of efficiency. As AI continues evolving, models like this will likely become the foundation of countless tools. Thanks for watching.